Yo, we are back again today with another great, amazing episode. And the episode of today, we're gonna just be open up throughout the podcast, and it's all about the design. I know a lot of you guys, you have been into it. We have been throughout the journey for quite long through design. We have dropped a lot of tutorials. We have made incredible journey. We have made a lot of creators, a lot of designers. We have been throughout the channel. We have done a lot of podcasts. And today we are having Jovin in the house, and Jovin, he's a graphics designer. And Jovin is going to tell us about his journey throughout the start, throughout what captured him mostly throughout graphics designing. As some of you guys know, when graphics designers meet, well, tech people meet too, because graphic designers, as some of you guys know, it falls into the same category of tech too. So yeah, let us just begin. We got Jovin today in the house, and Jovin, you're welcome.
Hey, thank you, Abdul. And I'm going to talk to you guys about design in depth. I'm only going to basic design, and I'm going to teach you guys some awesome things. I hope we enjoy. I hope we have a great time together, and thank you.
Okay, that's what's up. As some of you guys heard, that's Jovin. So Jovin, can you just explain to us throughout the journey how you started through designing? Like what captured you mostly? Because as some of us know, designing is supposed to be acting throughout one idea you have. Then all of a sudden everything falls in.
Yeah, I designed like 2014. That's when I started design. That's when I started to decide that I'm going to open this app and design. It was really tough at first. Nice. It was really complicated. The softwares we used, the methods we used, the people we met in the game, they were really competent to teach us, to like guide us. But I'm going to teach us what we have learned in this little time that I am going to be here with you, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Studying graphic design was really complicated, and it was really our journey that I can actually say that it was tough, because coming through, we didn't have too many designers out there. Like, I'm talking about skilled designers, people who actually knew how to graphic design, people who actually knew how to like use the software as well.
Yeah, get into it.
Yeah. So it was really tough. It was really a breakthrough. We needed some support, we needed some time, but eventually with time we were able to like pave our way and like get there to where we wanted to go. And I have to say that this has been really tough. This has been really a good time to learn.
I mean, we had great journey.
Yeah, we had time to learn. We had time to experience different type of things.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're here now, and here with you guys. I'm ready to talk about it.
So that's what's up, guys. As you heard Jovin throughout his journey, throughout the timeline, throughout what's going on, it's really kind of awesome, to be honest. You know, sometimes understanding the way you come from, the flows, you know, it's really kind of awesome. Like me, if I give you like long story short, when I started designing, man, I was given a task and I was like, man, I just want to do this. And I got into it, and it was freaking great. I was enjoying the pace. Up to now, I'm really enjoying it, because designing, I feel like it's home. I feel like it's way really dope. Matter of fact, just squeeze a lot of like tech around, because you know I'm a tech guy. So squeeze that kind of tech, but when you put design, it really makes your brain becomes really dope. And alongside programming too, it's a really great space. So you can see how much these things goes, and they're really kind of awesome. So Jovin, a really kind of quick question. What was the toughest thing you got throughout the journey of designing? Or you're like, damn, will I accomplish this thing, man?
Yeah, I remember one time while I was designing, I had this project. When I was like 3 years into design, I usually used to design using only Adobe Photoshop. Most designers would know about it. So I was actually designing logos through Adobe Photoshop, and as you guys know, like Adobe Photoshop is pixel based. Like everything that is going to be exported is going to bring pixels.
Boxes.
Yeah, it's boxes. You know, it's really not the type of shit to design logos in.
Yeah, man.
So basically, I was given this task.
And long story short, guys. Sorry guys, but there's an episode this guy is coming up with. Great episode. You're supposed to stay tuned on YouTube too, so as you can see what he's capturing through that episode. And it's all about how to do it, how to get things done. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I was given this project and I had like it had good money on it, but I was using Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Photoshop really doesn't export the best quality of logos. So what I did is I designed the logo in Photoshop and I actually sent it to the client, and the client rejected it, and he was like, "Are you even a designer? How can you make something like this?" You know, I was actually like
Frustrated, you know, I get the vibes.
most of the compliments, you know, they just hit you in the brain because you know that I work hard for this. I like put in my time and stuff, and like the client just
man,
they weren't in for it. So I was like, man,
that's crazy, man.
What should I do? So I did another logo design, and they told me, man, the problem is not about the design, it's about the quality of the design. The quality isn't really where it's supposed to be, and the quality wasn't enough. So I had to switch apps to do that. I had to switch softwares. I had to learn Adobe Illustrator because the client told me like, I can take this, you know. What the client did was that after I sent them the logo, they like zoomed in and saw the boxes. So they were like,
Minecraft.
Why is this thing looking like Minecraft? So
Minecraft logos.
It was just so, and I didn't know what to do. So I actually went to YouTube. You know, my journey has been determined by YouTube. I put in so many hours on YouTube.
Nice.
And
like that.
And so I went back to YouTube and I like searched like
school there,
like how to make a logo, like high resolution and stuff.
Man.
It brought me every type of every
content creator
of a creator on YouTube. It's just throwing out ideas like in Adobe Illustrator you're supposed to export like this, you're supposed to export like this. So I was like, so Adobe Illustrator actually is the real shit, right? So I didn't know anything about Adobe Illustrator. I had to learn Adobe Illustrator in like 2 weeks and export the logo. Luckily the idea I already had it. So the problem was like putting into the hours into Adobe Illustrator and getting to learn.
Man.
It was really tough, but you know, at the end of the day, a challenge is a challenge, you know?
That's what's up, guys. It's really kind of dope. Man, you've been throughout some crazy journey. I'll be honest, like that's some crazy journey because you didn't give up. That's the main kind of artifact. You just didn't give up. You wanted everything to be just going slow pace and going to work out perfectly. And you unleashed throughout each kind of thing. That's the most dope thing, man. That's the dope thing. Because you know, at that kind of instance, a lot of people usually quit. And they just forget about it. They'll be like, man, this client disappointed me. But understanding that sometimes disappointments, they can make you think bigger. They can make you think bigger and become mindset large and understand which type of thing you're supposed to be knowing. And that's how it has been throughout a lot of great successfully designers, and that's how it goes. So that's what's up, guys, about the podcast of today. Thank you so much, Jovin, to be here in the house, and it's really kind of great and amazing journey. And a lot of people, they heard you, they know how things go here and there. So another kind of last but not least, they want to know where you at, like your social media. They want to know what's your social media.
You guys can follow me on Instagram at NicholasX. That's Nicholas with a H, you know, it's not with a K, with a CH, so it's Nicholas X, Nicholas_X. You guys can like follow me there, and you can also subscribe to this page, you know, because I'll be actually active right here like for the next couple of weeks, months, you know, you never know. We're going to give you guys bangers, so we just need you guys to support us. Precisely. So
what's up, guys? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim13, and we are dropping it like hot. You already know what I mean. And we're gonna just catch you guys on the next podcast.